In this video, I want to address another type of business I was asked about by students, and that's a coaching business. This can be life coaching, business coaching, productivity coaching, corporate coaching, executive coaching, all kinds of coaching. It's a really cool business. It's a work from home business, and it doesn't have a lot of challenges of other business. There's literally no cost to start. You don't have to manage inventory. You can start literally today promoting your business. So there's a lot of really positive things about it. The main challenge is marketing. How are you going to promote? Because there's a lot of coaches. And the thing that makes this business good, the low barrier to entry, is also the very same thing that makes this business bad, because anyone can roll out of bed and say, I'm an expert, I'm a coach. And some people do that, and legitimate coaches, they have like an oh my God moment. But at the same time, it creates this kind of a situation in the coaching industry where there's a lot of really bad and unqualified coaches, and many clients get burned by them, and many clients have this skepticism. What if it's a bad coach? And you should answer that question, like, why should people hire you? You need to build up that authority so there's no question in people's minds as soon as they start researching anything about you. So the thing you got to do in this business as part of your planning is choosing a compelling niche and authority. So you can't say like business coach or life coach. It's really too broad. You have to drill deep down. So inside business, for example, like I have a lot of experience with mobile apps. So if I wanted to brand myself as a mobile app coach, I'd have a lot of authority in that because I've written a book on this, I've got a course on this, and I've got credentials. Like my own apps that I built back in the day, they did really well. Other people will want results like I have that I can show, and I can say, I did it, I've coached hundreds of people on this, and of course, I can help you because I've seen everything there is to see, and I've done it, and I have real experience. Now, that's a strong sales pitch. Are there better people than I am? Always. But am I better than almost anyone else? Also, that's true. So that's the kind of niche and authority that you have to show somehow. You don't have to show it the way I show it. You can show it with degrees, certificates, experience, happy clients, and many, many, many other ways. But you do have to have this authority, and people have to easily understand, wow, this is a great expert. I want their advice. That's important. And you got to build up your authority in the subject matter. Typically today that's done online through your website, maybe through a podcast, maybe through a YouTube channel, maybe through writing books, maybe courses, maybe some combination of these. But somehow you've got to be visible and authoritative online and really stand out. So the planning is, what's the niche, what's the authority you're going to show, and what's the best way to build up your online assets and visibility so that you in fact can be seen and discovered by potential clients. That's the planning that goes into this particular business.